Ángel Rose Invitaciones is a company that elaborates invitations for weddings, 15th parties, and executive events. The co-founder is Maricruz Escutia, who established the first branch office in Querétaro and later on in Mexico and Puebla. Ángel Rose Invitaciones is a company focused on their clients' satisfaction. In this project, we analyze the different stages in which the company operates in order to fulfill the specific requirements needed in each invitation, with skills and abilities learned in our class of strategic administration and project processes. To make an implementation in an area in which the company can create value added and minimize the cost. This project mainly focused the process in which Ángel Rose needs an implementation in some area identified by the team. Exploring the client needs. The main objective is to know the client, the main needs, characteristics, type of the event, and the design. In this phase, the client and the owner first meet, customizing the final invitation. The main objective is to establish the necessary information for the invitation requested. In this phase, the client approved the prototype made by the company and defined the last details. Also, they set the next date meeting, and a payment of 50% is made. Setting the order. The main objective is to contact the different areas to know what material is available. In this phase, the salesperson asks for information regarding the invitation, such as the material, the color of the ink, and start contacting the outsourcing person who is in charge of the manufacturing. Review the stock. The main objective is to know the quantity and quality of the stock available. In this phase, the inventory responsible provides information to the salesperson to select the material needed for the requested order. In case of inexistence of raw material, the responsible have to order it. Receiving the semi-elaborated product and assembling. For this, the objective is to receive the semi-elaborated product from the outsourcing to check if the details and information are according to the prototype and assemble the final product. Final delivery. For this, the objective is to deliver the final invitation to the client. In this phase, the owner and the client meet in the appointment previously made. The owner gives the final invitations and receives the rest of the 50% payment. So here we find an area of opportunity in which we can do implementations. The major issues in general for the company are the following. There is not a close relationship with the customers. There is not an immediate communication between inventory, orders, customers, and delivery departments. The development and scope of company really needs to increase with the time. And we also identify some flaws when working with clients' requests. With these controversial issues, we found that we need to start thinking about different ways to establish a process that could help to improve the structural process at this moment. Analyzing the situation of the company, we could define requirements that could impact significantly the optimization process in the inventory management. Our scope now is to make an implementation in the inventory management, in which the company can create value added and minimize the cost with a structured process provided to the company, and that will help every member to know how things are done. Before the implementation provided by the team, Ángel Rose has some problems in this crucial stage. The inventory stage focuses in the raw material available. However, there is not a metric that could analyze the situation of how much stock is available or what kind. We face some challenges, such as enhance the inventory system in the organization. This due to the lack of knowledge of the raw material available. To improve this situation, we made a well-done database with the existing raw material. Another challenge was to improve the flow of information between the inventory channel, to know the delivery times of materials and deliverables in each area of the company. One of the improvements that we did was to send emails or call to notify the process of each order. We set up the implementation of a software such as NetSuite. Another requirement was the schedule process according to the delivery date of the customer and to the activities in the company. The improvement that was done here is the well-done schedule of order time base in the activities of the company and with help with NetSuite as well. Another challenge that we faced was the lack of communication between the connected areas enrolled in the activities of the company. The improvement that we did as a team was the use of NetSuite with the help of emails, calls, and meetings to notify the process in which they face the different areas. We talked to the manager and team of the company and did the implementation. The company started doing a more structured and efficient work with help of a more effective communication using NetSuite as a software that interconnect all of the areas. The implementation was a success and the company gave us a diploma for the excellent performance we had.